Hey everybody, what I got here is a screen replacement on this HP Stream. Okay, model number 14DS0110NR. Okay, I got me a new screen that I bought from laptopscreen.com. Okay, so it's a touch screen laptop. I'm gonna be replacing that out just to show how easy it is to do it. Now I don't have hardly any, I have very little electronic experience, and I have even less experience with computers, but it's super simple to do yourself, and they put out a good product over there. So I'm just gonna do a quick video to show you how this is done. So first thing you do is you can grab a hold of this plastic piece that goes around the outside of the screen and just start popping it off. Okay, now if you want to help you out, some of these tools like this work pretty good. Some little spudgers. Alright. Just work this around. Be real careful around the top there where the camera is. And you just pop off. Now when you get down around the bottom, you gotta be a little careful. If you look on the bottom of this screen, it's got this area down here that says do not touch. Now on the inside of this plastic piece there's some sticky, so you just got to be it wants to stick to the bottom there. So this comes in real handy here, so you can work that off. I've already had this off of here, so mine's already pretty loose, but see the inside there's just got some sticky stuff. Set that aside, and then there's just 4 screws, real simple. Okay, up here at the top there's 2, 3, 2 at the bottom there makes number 4. This is just a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. These little magnetic screwdrivers are nice. I suggest using the magnetic ones. They'll hold on to the screws a lot better. You don't have to worry much about dropping and losing them. And then I have a little magnet pad that I drop my screws onto, or you can use something like that to drop them into, keep track of them so you don't lose them. Alright. Now the screen just comes away. Real easy, just lays down. Alright, now the next part is to get this plug out of there. Now there's a piece of tape right here that's holding that plug in place, and then the plug just slides in. So you take a look at the new one. There's where your plug's going to slide in. So to take that sticky part off, or take that sticker off, X-Acto knife works pretty well for that. Okay, you just take that guy so you can get up under a corner there, get a hold of it, and then you just peel off real slow. And you use that X-Acto knife to kind of help you a little bit. And once that's loose, free to pop that plug off of there. Comes off real easy like that. your new screen. Should slide right in the same way it came out. You just make sure you push it in all the way. You want to make sure you don't have any gaps between the two connectors. So when you get that thing put together there, shouldn't be any gaps. All right. Stick your tape back down. And you know, where the screen screws into itself, it's got some little pegs, so you can just match the screen up right where it's supposed to be. The pegs hold it in place while you screw it in. I'm gonna pull this tape loose. Whenever I've got a screen protector on something that I'm working on, I like to wait till the last minute to pull it off. And then we just put our screws back in. When you do these, keep in mind that it's a very small screw, screwing into a plastic hole, piece of plastic. So you just want to snug it down. All right, so skipped ahead where we got the screws back in, all 4 of them, and this just pops right back on. Make sure you just go all the way around. Snap it all back in place everywhere. Make sure there's no spots bulging or anything like that. Make sure you get all those snaps. And then take and run my finger along here. Get that bottom piece stuck back to the bottom there. And then it opens and closes just fine. Alright, so you can see we've got the screen booted up. Looks good. Okay, this is a touch screen. So you can see it's working like it should. Okay. And it's working great. Alright, so again, like I said, not a whole lot of experience on my part doing this kind of stuff. Real simple, real easy, like I showed you. Laptopscreen.com. Good place to find yourself for a solid replacement.